change side. Now I'm going to complete I have already the foreman, the timekeeper, and the warehouseman.
Snackman. Boy,
So
snackman.
the foreman, please.
Handsome boy. Engineer.
Okay, for our proper assembly, ayan na lang, balik lang ito nila.
Tayo nyo lang tayo. Yan lang tayo.
Side. Butang na lang laptop. Timekeeper, listen to me. Para sa atong proper assembly, guys, opposition nga sa mo dapit nga linya mo linya. Kasi mo linya ang laborer, mo linya sa skill, dan skill mo linya sa laborer. Let's have count off first. Let's count off from here.
Ito here.
Padong dito, niya balik diri, padong ni Kuan ni
Boy tapang. Kulas ni Do. Human zombie.
Then balik diri.
Minsitar. Minsitar doon.
Okay, let's start the guys. Performance at the first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
13.
14, 16, 17, 18, 38,
Divided by 2. Okay, format daw.
Okay, in one column, let's have 9 people. Yang mo sa ako.
Kuwang sa salari siya.
Ayan, si Marvin, ayun, bilang sa iha.
Oh, dia. Di kay kuan mga bookshelf mga. Bookshelf. Bullshit ning human zombie.
Okay, alright.
Bagus sa Dario, bagus sa. Oh. Nana, para. Siam-siam kan. Bagus sa Dario.
Nasa Pinas, because nicer.
Ole pero di kulong.
Please, no hands forward, raise. Okay, hands down. So, first, I will introduce to you what is a toolbox meeting. A toolbox meeting is a
Box of tools. Toolbox meeting sa box of tools.
A toolbox meeting is also known as a toolbox talk amongst the Historia Roy.
Talking.
It is a short and routine consultation designed to create awareness of safety measures and hazards at the workplace. A toolbox meeting is a briefing of safety measures to supervisors, workers, and safety teams held every morning before commencing their respective duties. So, ang toolbox meeting, guys, is held before mo mag-start sa trabaho. And for example, mag-start inyong trabaho at 7:30 a.m. What time should you have toolbox meeting?
6.
You should have at least 7:50 or 7 a.m.
Yes.
Then, kanang 7 a.m. or 7:15 a.m., make sure everybody is there. The supervisor, the foreman, and all those are kanang appeal sa construction are present. If ever gani, dili mo ka-appeal sa toolbox meeting, kaya na late mo, sabot-sabuti inyong supervisor kung saan yung pagtrabaho. Kaya dili magpatrabaho sa safety officer kung wala ka ka-appeal sa toolbox meeting. That is the practice sa mga dagko nga developer. So, let's dream here nga dili na data sa kanang ginagnay-gagnay nga construction lang. Let's try to work on a higher degree nga construction like developers. So, mga developers na mga safety officer. So, for now, I will be your safety officer. And Mr. Noda. Jericho Noda.
Noya. Stop.
Okay, Mr. Jericho Noda.
Yes!
Jericho Noya is our foreman. Marvin.
Lidwin.
Marvin Marayan would be our timekeeper and Miss
Universe 2000 COVID. Lumangtad.
Lumutan.
Lumutan.
Lumutan. Okay. Malo, Lumutan. To help or anyone or you want to
Oh.
ready go. Let's start from the head.
Good.
Isa man na exercise.
Masyado ha.
This is a warm-up exercise. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 5, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. Okay, 1,
Prayer meeting.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then walk.
Tabuha nga. Michael Jackson ba?
5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sabag yun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Air rotation. Sa kaliyo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 5, 4, 3, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Like mother, like daughter.
8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 2, 1, 1. Sinana ko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse.
Rewarding during the warm-up exercise. Mostly guys, ang ating mga workers, listen, ayaw niyo. Mostly our workers during the warm-up exercise, hindi na sila mutaran ng pamilya ninyo. I will warn you